Welcome back, continuing the news. Sections of St. Thomas were blanketed with smoke today as fire was set to debris used to block several roads in the parish. The blockages were part of protest action taken by residents, including bus operators, who say they are fed up with the road conditions throughout the parish. As we hear in this report from HERMAN, residents are calling on the Prime Minister for some immediate action as they believe it's full time that the parish sees more than empty promises.
Roadblocks along the Grand Spend Main Road, the License to Morant Bay Main Road, the Bailey Bridge leading into Morant Bay, and the Morant Bay bus park in St. Thomas. The heated protests prevent commuters, including students and persons heading to work, from reaching their destinations and kept the police and firefighters busy all day. Despite the smoke and major hindrances, some say it's a desperate call for help and so say it's worth it. Transport operators.
As busman at transportation here, we are suffering of the road in St. Thomas. Every day we broke spring, broke up blade, all type of things. We don't make no money through the road condition.
Private motorists.
We want road everywhere in St. Thomas, but you can't drive your car.
Commuters.
We, the St. Thomas people, we deserve to have better road in our country.
Trinity will stand for years we don't have no road. And the two parties come in and I see things.
According to OMAR, who says he is the organizer of the protest, the move is in an effort to send a message that the residents are fed up with the road conditions throughout the parish.
And it's a shame because St. Thomas is the parish where all the mall, all the sand, and all the resources that are used to build roads are from. So it's a shame that we have to drive on these deplorable roads.
And he says that's why the protest will continue every day until both members of parliament and the Prime Minister address the situation. For one commuter, the fact that the situation has now led to some students missing school is a major problem.
And Andrew, I think you should have a problem too, because education is the key and the children are the future of tomorrow. And if the children are blighted from them education, we have a big problem. So whatever you need to do what you have to do. But I am saying no. The road that need to fix, can it fix today? It cannot fix today because the rain is falling. So give the people them the date and the time when you will dwell with this situation.
By afternoon, the police and firefighters had cleared most of the roads and were visibly monitoring the areas to prevent any remounting of the roadblocks. But for the protesters, that will not be a deterrent.
It might happen that this may go on for more than a day, but we're asking for the public passenger vehicles in St. Thomas to stay off the road because we need to send a strong message